Welcome to the French Made Easy podcast, where I give you all the basics you need to speak French clearly and confidently. I'm your host, Mathilde, and I'm a French teacher, mompreneur, and bread and cheese lover. Join me as I dive into all things French for beginners and deliver to you bite-sized, easy-to-follow lessons every Tuesday. Let's get started. On commence. Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 130, numéro 130. Today we are talking about love, of course. With Valentine's Day coming up, I thought that would be a very timely topic, and I was actually convinced that I did a podcast episode on Valentine's Day many years ago, and apparently I didn't. So it's been a long time coming. Now, I know that not everyone celebrates Valentine's Day, and whether or not you celebrate it or you just love, I've got a few words and expressions and also examples in French for you. Now, as always, for everyone new on the podcast, make sure you have your lessons cheat sheet ready to follow along with the episode. And after listening to the episode, go and download your lessons exercises to practice what you've learned today. You can find all the download links in the episode notes. All right, so let's dive into our romantic French vocabulary. And don't forget to repeat after me for pronunciation practice. La Saint-Valentin. Valentine's Day. La Saint-Valentin. Demain, c'est la Saint-Valentin. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Demain, c'est la Saint-Valentin. L'amour, love. À la Saint-Valentin, on célèbre l'amour. On Valentine's Day, we celebrate love. À la Saint-Valentin, on célèbre l'amour. Le cœur, heart. Le cœur. Elle porte un collier en forme de cœur. She wears a necklace in the shape of a heart. Elle porte un collier en forme de cœur. Le bouquet de fleurs. Bouquet of flowers. I'm not sure how you say in English. Bouquet of flowers. Le bouquet de fleurs. Il m'a offert un bouquet de fleurs. He gave me a bouquet of flowers. Il m'a offert un bouquet de fleurs. Le cadeau, gift, le cadeau. Cette année, ils ne se font pas de cadeaux pour la Saint-Valentin. This year, they are not giving each other gifts for Valentine's Day. Cette année, ils ne se font pas de cadeaux pour la Saint-Valentin. Un bisou, a kiss, un bisou. Ils échangent un bisou rapide. They exchange a quick kiss. Ils échangent un bisou rapide. Je t'aime. I love you. Je t'aime. Ils se sont dit je t'aime pour la première fois. They told each other I love you for the first time. Ils se sont dit je t'aime pour la première fois. La carte de Saint-Valentin. Valentine's Day card. La carte de Saint-Valentin. J'ai choisi une carte de Saint-Valentin avec des cœurs dessus. I chose a Valentine's Day card with hearts on it. J'ai choisi une carte de Saint-Valentin avec des cœurs dessus. Le dîner en amoureux, romantic dinner. Le dîner en amoureux. Now, it's literally a dinner between lovers. That's the literal translation, but that's basically a romantic dinner. Le dîner en amoureux. Ils ont prévu un dîner en amoureux pour la Saint-Valentin. They have planned a romantic dinner for Valentine's Day. Ils ont prévu un dîner en amoureux pour la Saint-Valentin. And finally, last expression, la boîte de chocolat. Box of chocolates. La boîte de chocolat. Ils partagent une boîte de chocolat. They share a box of chocolates. Ils partagent une boîte de chocolat. All right, so that's it for our expressions, our 10 expressions. Now let's just do a quick recap. La Saint-Valentin, Valentine's Day. L'amour, love. Le cœur, heart. Le bouquet de fleurs, bouquet of flowers. Le cadeau, gift. Le bisou, kiss. Je t'aime, I love you. La carte de Saint-Valentin, Valentine's Day card. Le dîner en amoureux, romantic dinner. And la boîte de chocolat, box of chocolates. And that is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning these romantic French words and phrases. I will chat with you next week. À la semaine prochaine. Bye. Hey, it's me again. Before you go, I just wanted to let you know that if you are struggling with French pronunciation, I am excited to announce my new and free beginner's audio guide. It's called 5-Step Roadmap to Effortless French Pronunciation. It's really designed to simplify your French pronunciation journey and to make it less overwhelming for you. So if you are a beginner starting or restarting to learn French and you want to improve your French pronunciation, then this audio guide is perfect for you. And obviously, you'll also get a transcript with the audio guide so you can follow along while you listen. So click the link inside your podcast notes to access your audio guide. It is free. À bientôt. Bye.